Hello, my name is Mrs. Cerna, and I am the counselor at Tinker Elementary School. And today I just wanted to check in with you all and talk to you about how to solve a problem. Any of you ever faced a problem before and you just didn't know what to do? I know I have. Well, sometimes it can be hard to know how to solve a problem, but we want to do it in a way where it's not going to get us in trouble or cause more problems. So what I like to do is I like to use this problem-solving wheel. So sometimes when I'm not sure how to solve a problem, I can look at this problem-solving wheel and it gives me some ideas of how to solve that problem in a way that is helpful and productive. So if you look at this problem-solving wheel and you're having a problem with, say, a friend at school or maybe a family member even at home, and you don't know how to solve it, you can choose two of these options. So the one at the top says, walk away and let it go. Did you know that if you get upset, you can just walk away and find something else to do? Another option is to tell them to stop. Now, I always encourage my kids, if you're going to tell someone to stop, make sure you do it with respect. The next thing you could try is to go to another activity. Or you could play rock, paper, scissors. So say you're wanting to play with the same toy that somebody else is currently playing with. You could do a rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. And that is a compromise. The next thing you could try is to use an I feel message. So if you're upset with somebody, you can tell them, I feel mad when you do that. Or I feel sad when you do this. Using an I feel message lets someone else know how you're feeling without getting angry or in an argument. Another thing you could try is apologize. You know, sometimes when we have a problem, we're the ones at fault. And so the best thing we can do to fix the situation is to simply say, I'm sorry. Another thing you could try is to talk it out. Sometimes if we just talk out our problems, we can solve them really easily and quickly. You could ignore it. If you don't like what someone else is doing, you can close your eyes and ignore it and go find something else to do. The last thing you could try is to wait and cool off. You know, sometimes when we have a problem, it can make us really angry or mad. And the best thing to do is to wait a little bit, maybe take a few deep breaths, and just cool off. So these are lots of options on how to solve a problem. Now, I want you to keep in mind, it's very important that you know that if the problem is an emergency, say you're in danger or somebody else is hurt, make sure that you find a trusted adult right away. We don't want to wait and try to solve the problem on ourselves if it's an emergency. So here's just some fun tips on how you can solve a problem. Thanks for listening.